everyone, welcome back to Trade Tale. So today we're gonna discuss about stock market. What is the stock market? The stock market broadly refers to the collection of exchanges and other venues where the buying, selling and issuance of shares of publicly held companies takes place. Such financial activities are conducted through institutionalized formal exchanges market or through marketplaces that operate under a defined set of regulation. The stock market allows numerous buyers and sellers of security to meet, interact and transact. Stock markets allow for a price discovery for shares of corporations and serve as a barometer for the overall economy. Since the number of stock market participants is huge, one can often be assured of a fair price and a high degree of liquidity, as various market participants compete with one another for the best price. Since the stock market brings together hundreds of thousands of market participants who wish to buy and sell shares, it ensures fair pricing practices and transparency in transactions. While earlier stock markets used to issue and deal in paper-based physical share certificates, the modern-day computerized stock markets operate electronically. Now the question is how the stock market works. In a nutshell, stock markets provide a secure and regulated environment where market participants can transact in shares and other eligible financial instruments with confidence with zero to low operational risk. Operating under the defined rules as stated by the regulator, the stock markets act as a primary markets and as a secondary markets. As a primary market, the stock market allows companies to issue and sell their shares to the common public for the first time through the process of initial public offerings, that is IPO. This activity helps companies raise necessary capital from investors. It essentially means that a company divides itself to a number of shares. To facilitate this process, a company needs a marketplace where these shares can be sold. This marketplace is provided by the stock market. If everything goes as per the plans, the company will successfully sell millions of shares. Investors will get the company shares which they can expect to hold for their preferred duration. Stock exchange acts as a facilitator for this capital raising process and receives a fee for its services from the company and its financial partners. Now we're going to talk about special considerations. The stock exchange shoulders the responsibility of ensuring price transparency, liquidity, price discovery, and fair dealings in such trading activities. As almost all major stock markets across the globe now operate electronically, the exchange maintains trading systems that efficiently manage the buy and sell orders from various market participants. They perform the price matching function to facilitate trade execution at a price fair to both buyers and sellers. A listed company may also offer new additional shares through other offerings at a later stage, like through rights issue or follow-on offers. They may even buy back or delist their shares. The stock exchange facilitates such transactions. The stock exchange also maintains all companies' news, announcements and financial reporting, which can be usually accessed on their official websites. A stock exchange also supports various other corporate level transaction related activities. For instance, profitable companies may reward investors by paying dividends, which usually come from a part of the company's earnings. The exchange maintains all such functions of a stock market. A stock market primarily serves the following main functions: fair dealing in securities transaction, depending on the standard rules of demand and supply. The stock exchange needs to ensure that all interested market participants have instant access to data for all buy and sell orders, thereby helping in the fair and transparent pricing of securities. Additionally, it should also perform efficient matching of appropriate buy and sell orders. Efficient price discovery is also a function of stock market. Stock markets need to support an efficient mechanism for price discovery, which refers to the act of deciding the proper price of a security and is usually performed by assessing market supply and demand and other factors associated with the transactions. Third function of a stock market is the liquidity maintenance. While getting the number of buyers and sellers for a particular financial security are out of control for the stock market, it needs to ensure that whosoever is qualified and willing to trade gets instant access to place orders which should get executed at a fair price. Security and validity of a transaction. While more participants are important for the efficient working of a market, the same market needs to ensure that all participants are verified and remain compliant with necessary rules and regulations, leaving no room for default by any of the parties. Additionally, it should ensure that all associated entities operating in the market must also adhere to the rules and work within the legal framework given by the regulator. Stock markets support all eligible types of market participants. A marketplace is made by a variety of participants, which includes market makers, investors, traders, speculators, and hedgers. All these participants operate in the stock market with different roles and functions. For instance, an investor may buy stocks and hold them for the long term, spanning many years, while a trader may enter and exit a position within a second. A market maker provides necessary liquidity in the market, while a hedger may like to trade in derivatives for mitigating the risk involved in the investments. The stock market should ensure that all such participants are able to operate seamlessly, fulfilling their desired roles to ensure the market continues to operate efficiently. Investors' protection. Along with wealthy and institutional investors, a very large number of small investors are also served by the stock market for their small amount of investments. These investors may have limited financial knowledge and may not be fully aware of the pitfalls of investing in stocks and other listed instruments. The stock exchange must implement necessary measures to offer the necessary protection to such investors to shield them from financial loss and ensure customer trust.